Do you ever get confused sometimes with all these products coming out on the market and wonder what it is they really do? Like you see the bottle and you see that it says, for example, glowy makeup serum, but what is that actually going to do for me and why should I buy it? So today I wanted to talk about the Glowy Makeup Serum by Laneige. It's a brand new product. To me, it just sounds amazing. So I want to sit here and explain what it's going to do. So for those of you that don't know, glossy skin is totally in for this summer. So glossy skin means healthy skin. It's going to give you that subtle glow. It's just going to look really natural, like you have that glow from within. I am just like, I don't know, I think one of my passions has always been like healthy skin, glowy looking skin. I'm just obsessed with it. So any product that's going to help me attain that look, I'm all about. So in a nutshell, this glowy makeup serum is basically going to provide your makeup with longevity, and it's going to provide you with that glossy skin look. Interestingly enough, it's made for hot weather so that your makeup won't separate or so that your makeup won't cake, which I think is really cool. It can be worn all year round, however, which is also awesome. So it is a makeup boosting serum that's going to provide you with that translucent and glossy look. Again, like I said earlier, it's going to provide you with long-lasting makeup. Who doesn't want that? Especially in the summer when it's super hot outside, you're always worried about your makeup coming off. Well, this is supposed to help prevent that, specifically because it's made for hot weather. It's going to give you that gentle gloss, so it's going to look quite natural. And I think the neatest thing about this product is it's going to give you that oil and water balance so that your skin is not going to appear oily with this product. It's just going to look naturally glowy. So there is some information for you today in regards to this brand new glowy makeup serum. I hope you guys try it out. I definitely know I want to try it out really soon. It is also available at Sephora, and it's a great price at $43 Canadian. So definitely check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.